Hey everyone, Sebastian here. Welcome to episode 19 of me learning game development. I'm officially done with Unity, so last thing the last thing I need to do is to uninstall Unity because I have already put in the request to delete my account. I'm seriously just moving away from Unity completely. Um, yeah, and I want to work with a game engine that's open source, that's free and open source, just like Blender. Actually, Blender might not be open source. I'm pretty sure it is, though. Right? From what I know, it is. But let's just uninstall Unity. I also have Blender right there. I haven't opened it yet. I'm going to learn Blender at some point to make 3D models for my game. And let's just uninstall Unity. Actually, is this the best way to do it? Probably. Okay, yep. Nice. Did that get rid of that? No. What in the world? Okay. Yep, yep. I'm confused, bro. Why would that not get removed along with Unity Hub? Oh, I guess that's weird. That's weird. Whatever. Okay, but here it is. Uninstalling. What the fudge? Okay, maybe I shouldn't open that. What? Wait, this is taking so long, actually. Also, yeah, it's pretty late, so I am planning on making this episode somewhat short. I know the yesterday's episode wasn't as short, but today's episode is going to be maybe half an hour at most. Okay, wait, is this actually gonna take a long fudging time? Uh, like, is this supposed to be happening? Um, is it really supposed to be taking this long? It's gonna jump. It's gonna jump at some point, right? Right? Please? Please tell me it's gonna jump. Why is it taking this long? Wait, actually, why is it taking this long? What? Um, okay, this might be a problem. Okay, nice. Okay, now let's look at the files here. So I have this open. This should be empty. I want this to be gone from my I want this to be gone from my system. So whatever, these are all the Unity projects I had saved. Gone. Goodbye. What the fuck? It's probably gonna tell me it's not. Okay, whoa, 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 bro. How many gigabytes is this? Okay, it's not even that big. Whatever. I'm deleting it. Okay. Can you... Why is it taking this long, actually? What the fudge? Like, what? Why is deleting this stuff taking this long? Is my computer just slow or something? Or are these just very large, complex files? Okay. And then now I'm going to go to... Not that. Whoops, misclick. Now I'm going to just go to the Unity program files. Let's check. Where are they here? Program files, and I want Unity to be gone completely. It is not for some reason. Why is it not? What? That is so weird. What in the world? I don't know what UNP is. What is UNP? What? Okay, whatever. We got Unity and Unity Hub. How many? How many gigabytes? Very small. Yeah, I want these off my system. That folder's empty. This folder is not empty. Yeah, I mean, it's basically empty. So that's pretty good. Language, Japanese, Korean. What? Two different kinds of Chinese. All right. I mean, there's like nearly nothing in these folders. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete them. Bye bye. Bye bye, Unity. What? To delete this folder? Why? Why? What? Bro? Okay, goodbye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Yep, goodbye. Thank you. That's crazy. All right. So they're gone. The icons used to be right here. They're obviously in my recycle bin, which I believe deletes after um I forget how many days actually. Whatever. I'll check it later. But time to download Godot. I don't really know if I want to download the latest version here. So I'm going to probably download 4.0. What the fuck? Okay. Is it 4.2.2 stable? All right, let's look at the changelog here. And then let's go to 4.0. Wow, there are a lot of alphas and betas for that one. That's crazy. So let's do news for that one as well. Changelog for that. Wow, yeah, a lot. There were a lot. So according to here, 3.6 is a has a release candidate to be uh, a long-term support version, I'm pretty sure. Wait, what? Maybe not. Is there not a 3.6 stable here? Oh, there's not. Oh, there's not. Okay, so there's just stable and non-stable, I guess, right? Let's do Godot. Godot engine LTS. Should I choose 3.5.3 or latest version? I would go with Godot 4. It will be easier to upgrade your project. I'm developing my games with 4.1.1 and never faced a single issue with stability. I would say Godot 4 is stable enough. Okay. I am probably just going to use 4. Like, here's the thing. Does, um, 4.2.2, do 4.2.2 and 4.1.4 have features that I want? Like, I'm thinking maintenance releases. Tests in parallel. For literally which we limit ourselves to backporting only the safest or most critical fixes. Most in development projects are currently on the 4.2 branch, so while we focus on preserving compatibility, we've included more quality of life improvements to make it easier to use Godot 4.2 in production. Aha. Uh, what is the difference here? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh my. Yeah, this is kinda crazy. So, let me just read a little more here. Improved command line export pipeline. A lot of users are CI/CD pipelines. I don't know what that means. Oh, such as GitHub Actions or GitLab CL to export their game to all their supported platforms automatically. This implies checking out the source repository and running Godot from the command line. In so-called headless mode, I know graphical display to perform the export. For a long time now, users have been struggling with some associated issues, such as source repositories typically don't include the .godot folder with imported resources, so before exporting, the editor needs to run once. To properly import everything, generate the GD script class name cache without having to jump through hoops. You know, I might just do the most recent one. Why not? I'm just learning anyway. Like, I'm not actually making a game right now. I can settle on a version when I'm making a game, right? Audio crackling issues on Windows. Wow. Okay. Uh, that's kind of a big deal, actually. Work around for some types of corrupted scene load errors. One, refactoring their project by renaming or moving files around. Multiple reasons for these errors, some of which have been fixed already. One such improvement is to allow loading screens with missing external sources, due to having moved them around, especially from outside Godot. Okay, fixes to animation features after the move to animation mixer. To share the base implementation for many common features. There were still some regressions. I'm probably just going to download the most recent one, bro. Um, okay. Cherry picks. Add basic multi-mesh data needed for headless export to the dummy rendering server. Like, I'm not even sure I'm going to be using this. Fix. It's already been 16 minutes. Wow, almost 17 minutes. Fix missing return. Okay, let's do all of them. Add texture 2D and texture 3D icons. Change suffix of skeleton modification 2D to bone from M to PX. Reset tile map editor drag type when the toolbar mode is not selected. Fix potential infinite loop when calculating the editor's zoom level. Fix threading problems with tile map preview. Fix crash when deleting dragged polygon point. Prevent threading problems in tile map. Yeah, yeah. Grab a cup of something strong and enjoy browsing through the massive list of new features. Um, huh. Definitely, I'm definitely gonna do after 4. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I guess I'll just download the latest. That's fine. Um, I don't know what the difference is here. What is the .NET version of Godot? I guess it's anything. Get the .NET version, you don't lose anything, but get the option to use C# if you want. I recommend trying GDScript for a bit so that you know if you like it or not. If you don't like it, you don't need it. Other language will be performant enough for anything you make as a beginner. But if at some point you choose to make something computationally heavy, it's a good idea to let C# or C++ do the heavy lifting. You can also mix and match languages within the same project to get the best of both worlds. You lose the ability to do HTML5 builds for itch, for example. I had to download the standard version to do that. Granted, it's not hard to do so, but it should be mentioned. Also, the subject is a bit more complicated as it will also require you to download, install the .NET SDK separately. Uh, okay. C sharp is obviously going to be faster than GDScript for pure logic, but it's the same API, so calls to the native engine code are going to run just as fast either way. Okay. So is it faster or not? I'm thinking no. GDScript is fun and tightly integrated into the editor if you can deal with the Python syntax. It's the most ambitious custom engine scripting I've ever seen by far. Right now there's a worrying dependency on string indexing like in JavaScript, but structs are planned. Fudge, man. I'm saving .NET for when I need to do AI or something, but so far Godot is good. Flexible native versions of several systems I was writing myself before, like A Star and Tween. Godot 4 doesn't have mobile or web.NET builds yet in this stable release. Use whatever you're comfortable with. C Sharp is obviously faster than GDScript. But for most things, you won't be bottlenecked by the language. Just do not force GD to be Unity with C Sharp. GD's implementation is very close to standard C practices instead of Unity. The only thing missing in the C Sharp version is support for mobile platforms. Oh, the LTS of Godot 3 has it. Okay. I use .NET in my job, and I found GDScript to be easy to adapt to, especially if you know Python or JavaScript. Okay, which, to be fair, Python and JavaScript are like dumb easy, so that's fine. And I can always brush up. I can always brush up right here. I have a freaking uh, course. They have a Python course, so I could just freaking do that. And Java, there's a free Java course on an app. Free Java app course. Free Java course app. There you go. Thank you. Um, okay. You know what? I guess I'd start with the standard one. GDScript is nice and definitely has a lot less friction when you're learning Godot. You might like it. You can always switch. ITT. What does that mean again? Meaning internet. Okay. Yeah, I'm, you know what? Okay. So I'm gonna do, this is the first course I'm gonna start on here. And who knows, maybe it's actually just enough to give me enough of a, it's, maybe these courses are actually enough to give me a good grasp of the engine so I can actually make a game. That would be awesome. Uh, yeah, that would be awesome. Okay, also,
That wasn't the plan.
It was a spontaneous, creative decision made after years of careful research.
oh, this is that new fudging. Nice. Okay, oh, wait, I already saw this. There's no way Unity CEO effed up so bad that he caused Brackies to come back after 3 years. Wow, bro, I hate how clickbait this guy's videos are. Wow, I actually did it and made a game. Thank you so much for this. I'm turning 50 and always dreamed of making games since I was a kid, but it always looked overwhelming and difficult. This experience has given me more confidence to try and learn more, maybe even make my dream game. As the saying goes, it's never too late. Why is this in quotes? What? Why is this in quotes, bro? Whatever.
Godot.
Oh, I guess that is how you spell it. Okay. So I'm just gonna see whether or not he's actually using C sharp. And if he's not, then I am just going to do the regular version.
Godot. Godot.
Okay, yeah, and there's this as well. It's the same fudging. Ah, thank you. Thank you. It just stays there. It just stays there. That's nice. These game developers are experts. Okay.
Godot. Whichever you prefer, if you want to use it to make a game, you've come to the right place. I've been making video games for more
Wait,
than
what the f-
Godot. 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 Whichever you prefer, if you want to use it to make a game, you've
Okay.
come to the right place. I've been
Okay.
making video games for more than 14 years now, and recently I've fallen in love with Godot. Godot is a great choice for many developers.
Okay. That's cool, actually. Does Unity have a feature like that? That's pretty cool. That's actually pretty cool.
And pretty beginner friendly. Also, it's open source and completely free to use. Now, you probably have a bunch of ideas of games that would be cool to make. But no matter if you're dreaming of making an FPS, a 2D platformer, or
Ocean Mirror.
But no matter if you're dreaming of making an FPS,
That looks cool.
a 2D platformer, or anything in between using Godot, the first step is, of course, to install it. Now, this process might
Okay, and also, wait, why did this? Whatever. What was Wizard of Legend made with? Probably Unity. Yeah. I haven't played this game, but it's in my Steam library, and I wanna play it, but it has a high skill floor, I've heard, so you know, I'm waiting until I want to actually commit to learning a new game. And instead, I'm gonna learn game development, which is great.
be a bit tedious, but bear with me now. We go to godotengine.org, press download latest, Godot engine, and we're done. This is a huge advantage of Godot. It's extremely lightweight and can even run in the browser. Now, you might want to unzip this folder and place it somewhere you remember. But other than that, we're ready to open up Godot. So,
Huh. Okay, great. And it can run in the browser. Okay, sure. Wow. Well, Oh, okay. Whoa. Okay. This is a 4.2. If you still find outdated information. Okay. I'm assuming the point two is just a bug fix, an optimization update, not really a feature update. Collection of official demo projects. A guide to install Godot on Linux, Windows, and Mac. Whoa. GUI. Oh, baby, this looks pretty good. Looks pretty good to learn here. All right, let's open up those downloads. Ah, that's my last name. But that's fine. Okay, well now you know it anyway, doesn't really matter. Yes. Unzip. How do I unzip? What? Okay. Yeah, like I completely forgot that. Yeah, like, oh, what? Did that work? Oh my, it did what? Uh, okay. I thought I had to extract them, but maybe not. This is it. This is all. Wait, this is really small. What? Like, I'm confused. Console. Wait, this is really small. I mean, it's not that small, but like it's just in an executable, that's it. It's just in it. It's just in an executable and I can just yeah, okay. I shouldn't have done that. Uh yeah, so I will restore this and then I will go back to downloads here. Then I will. Why do I not have. I thought I had this in my archives, not in my downloads. I should move it there. Whatever, you guys all know my last name now. Fine. Okay, so now I can just delete this, right? Is that right?
Let's double click it. And it's going to ask us if that want to unzip this folder and place it somewhere you remember. But other than that, we're ready to open up Godot. So let's double click it. And it's going to ask us if we want to look at some example projects. I'll just press cancel. Then we can press new, name our project, say first game. I'm gonna
Okay, okay, cool. Yeah, okay, never mind, never mind. Okay. Sure, I guess I'll just do this. Sure. What? Can I not? What? Can I not rename it without it effing things up? I guess. Will it be a problem having multiple versions of this on my computer? All right. Yeah, yeah, screw it. All right, let's get it here. Um, you cannot save a project in the path.
I'm gonna place mine on my desktop under my games folder. Let's create a separate folder for first game, so hit create folder and create an edit.
Okay. Sure. I guess I'll just, okay. Sure. This is definitely a little bit more of a technical, oh, I guess it doesn't matter if I have multiple versions of the application. That's fine. Uh, yeah, this is a little bit more of a technical engine rather than Unity, which is more of a user-friendly engine. Or in, like, yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'm thinking the wrong thing, but that's fine. All right, bam, and then bam, and then learning Godot. Sure.
And here we are, a clean slate, a blank canvas. Oh, I am so ready to make this game about. Well, this might be a good time to decide what our game will be about.
Uh, what the fudge, bro? He goes full Doug Doug. Or is this an advertisement? Oh, oh, it is. It's a, yeah, it's a sponsored segment. Yes. Uh, okay, bam. And wait, what? Create and edit.
Here we are, folder for first game, so hit create folder and create an edit.
Okay, I mean that's a little weird, I think.
And here we are, a clean.
Oh my. Uh, okay, so looking is the same as Unity. Moving is the same as Unity. Nice. Sure. That would have been kind of bad if that wasn't the case. But that's fine.
Slate, a blank canvas. Oh, I am so ready to make this game about. Well, this might be a good time to decide what our game will be about.
Once it hits the sponsor segment.
But first, this video is sponsored by Zenva. If you're excited about time and canvas. Oh, I am so ready to make this game about. Well, this might be a good time to decide what our game will be about. But first, this video is sponsored by Zenva. If you're
I guess I mean, I don't think the sponsored segment is right here, but it's kind of funny that I said once it hits the sponsor segment, then I play the video and boom, sponsored. Yeah, once I hit the sponsor segment, I will end the video.
excited about Godot 4, make sure to check out Zenva Academy. They offer comprehensive beginner and intermediate courses, including a fantastic free introductory course on Godot. What's really cool
actually relevant, but also I don't know if it's his academy or his course website that he's saying he's sponsored by. But I'm like a little confused. Like he's making a tutorial and then advert he's advertising a tutorial website. which is a little weird, but that's fine.
About Zenva is how they combine fun and practical learning through professional video tutorials, written lessons, and interactive quizzes. Plus, you'll be building real projects across various genres from RPGs to bullet hells. Zenva also has a wide range of courses on Python, Unity, Unreal, and other essential tools. With a single subscription, which includes a 7-day free trial, you unlock over 250 courses.
Poggers.
Use the coupon code.
This is literally the sponsored segment. This is the sponsored segment. This is the sponsored segment. I thought it was this because he's cooking and it says link in description. But it's just the assets. He just has the assets in the description. Okay. Alright, that was the sponsored segment. I just got kind of tricked into watching it, but that's fine. That is completely okay. And now I will end the episode. I will end the episode here. That was episode 19. And it says 20. It says 20 on the date because it's after midnight. So yeah, that should have been episode 19, and you will all see me tomorrow. Thank you for watching.